everybody, welcome back to the Keto Trio. I'm Skyly and I'm joining Bren.
Hi. So what are we making today, Sky?
We are turning our chicken and veggies that we made in our last video into a quiche just by changing a few simple ingredients.
Sounds delicious. And here's the ingredients for today's dish. We have a cabbage, 16.23 ounces, garlic, 1 teaspoon, chicken, 6 ounces, green peppers, 2.2 ounces, green beans, 4.75 ounces, bok choy, 12.75 ounces, green onions, 1.4 ounces, mushrooms, 4.5 ounces, spinach, 3.95 ounces, 6 large eggs, and 4 tablespoons whipping cream. And we'll whip that all together with our little whippy thing. And then we have bacon grease, and we'll be using that too. We also have 1 ounce of Mexican mixed cheese and 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese. So I preheated my cast iron on medium, like medium low. And now I'm going to add my bacon drippings, my 2 tablespoons, to the pan. So I'm going to add my chicken. Now that the pan is hot, the grease has cooked a little bit, so it got hot. Now I'm going to just stir my chicken. We're going to add a tablespoon of our Bragg's liquid Aminos. This stuff tastes so good. Loaded with aminos. And we're going to do a teaspoon of, I'm impatient. Perfect. Okay. Teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of garlic salt. And then we're going to stir it up. It's all mixed together. Okay, I'm also going to add a teaspoon of garlic to the meat. Okay, and the reason why we do the aminos with the meat is because you just add them with the meat. It always tastes better that way. Makes a difference. Trust me. Now I'm going to add our 16.25 ounces of green cabbage. While this is cooking down for a little bit, I'm going to elaborate just a little on what Mandy said about using pink Himalayan salt. We love our pink Himalayan salt. We use it exclusively every day, mainly for the reason that the difference between regular table salt and Himalayan salt is that all the minerals, there's 84 plus minerals in this salt that have not been removed, versus regular table salt where all the minerals have been stripped. So what you get is sodium. That's why Himalayan salt does not cause high blood pressure and regular salt does.
So now we're going to flip it. And like I said, it's really full, so we basically just get the chicken removed off the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to do some of the seasonings, which is going to be a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. I'm just going to do half a teaspoon because I want to season my own at the end too. Okay, half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. And now we'll mix it a little bit. And now we're going to add our bok choy. And then mix that up a little bit. So now I'm going to put the lid on and we're going to cook it for about another 3 minutes or so it's par cooked. Actually, we forgot we have to add the green beans because they need to cook a little bit longer than some of the other ingredients. So we'll put them in. Just mix it a little bit, and then we'll put the lid on and cook it for about 3 minutes.
So, Mandy, tell us what par cooked is.
So it's when it's not cooked completely, but so it's not completely cooked, but it still has a little bit of crunch to it, like al dente. How noodles are al dente, you know, when they're half cooked. So this is what it looks like when it's par cooked. They're getting a little bit softer and opaque. Yeah, opaque. So now I'm going to add my mushrooms. 4.55 ounces of mushrooms, and they're Portabella. Yum.
Oh, yeah.
So now we're also going to add the green peppers, which is 2.2 ounces. And I don't add these until almost the end like this because they kind of cook fast and I don't like them when they get mushy. And then we are also going to add, what is it? It is 3.95 ounces of spinach. Now it's going to start looking full again, but it will cook down. And then we'll put the lid on. I'm just going to put the lid on it and let it cook down.